Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on BMW and in this car have a problem. Headlight aim control. See, there is a warning light in display. Headlight and aim control. And today I will show you why this warning light came. Okay, see, I diagnose with my computer. FRM, read code. There is the fault code, all those fault code, right? Headlight driver module coding error, a headlight driver module internal fault. So this internal fault came cause I think headlight module damage, or when you service car sometimes water gone inside, that's why it happened like this. So if internal fault came in your car, you need to replace your headlight control module, which is remove headlight, and under the headlight there is two module, you need to replace module. Okay, then need to coding, then this fault gone.